Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll continue from example 9. It says simplify 3c plus 2c times 4c plus c divided by 5c minus what? 8c. So I'm sure you've heard of BODMAS, that's this, which is bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and what? Subtraction. So that's what BODMAS. So we use the knowledge of BODMAS to simplify this expression. So now, since there are no brackets here, the next thing to check for is what? Division. Because division comes before what? Multiplication, right? So there's a division sign here and there's a multiplication sign here. You can either choose to work the two of them simultaneously, or you choose this one first and this next. Then the third one, addition. There's an addition sign here. There's also an addition sign here. And finally, the subtraction sign. So for precedence, that's the way we'll be taking them. We'll be taking the what? Division first. Then before we take other ones. So let's start. So the first thing we'll do is to what? Let's rewrite our what? Expression. 3c plus what? 2c times what? 4c. So this now, let's put it in a bracket. Let's put it in a bracket. This is multiplication. Plus what? C divided by what? 5 what? C minus what? 8 what? C. So we also put this in a bracket. So we're introducing our own bracket because we want to attack them first. So we're working on both of them simultaneously, right? So if we are to open the bracket, we'll have that 3c plus 2c times 4c. 2 times 4 will give you what? 8. C times c will give you what? C square. You know how we got c square from a lot of indices, right? But this is c raised to power index 1 here and c raised to index 1 here. So if you add the two of them, when you're multiplying, you add their powers, so you get 2, right? So that's how you got it. So we have what? 2 times 4, 8. C times c, c what? Square. Then we'll move to the next one, the sign. We'll add the sign here, plus. C divided by 5c is simply c over what? 5c, right? So c will cancel out c. We'll be left with what? 1 over what? 5. So we have what? 1 over what? 5 minus what? Here, 8c. 8c. So now we've simplified it. We've eliminated the multiplication sign and the division sign simultaneously, right? So the next thing to do is to do what? The next thing to do is to what? Collect like terms. So if you want to collect like terms, there's 3 here and there's c here, there's 8 here and there's c here. Here is c square. So these two are like terms. So we'll bring them close. We'll have what? 3c minus 8 what? C. Then we'll bring this one plus what? 8c square. Then finally plus what? 1 over what? 5. So before that break this down, we'll have that 3c plus 8c. 3 3c, sorry, minus 8c. Now you're owing someone what? 8 naira. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have 3 naira. 1, 2, 3. You're owing, so it will be negative. You have, so it will be positive. You're owing 8 naira, you're owing 3 naira. If you pay this person now, 1 naira will pay 1 naira, yeah. This one will pay this person, and this one will pay this other person. What will you be left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see be owing 5, right? So 8c minus 3c minus 8c will give us what? 5 what? C, right? Plus what? 8c square plus what? 1 over what? 5. So we can factorize these two because they have c in common, right? So if you want to factorize these two, if we bring out c here, we'll have that c is into what? 5c divided by c will give us what? 5. 5c divided by c, write it here. 5c over c. C will cancel c. We'll be left with 5. There's a positive sign behind this c. Positive times this positive here will give us what? Positive 8c squared divided by c. 8c squared divided by c is simply the same thing as 8 times what? C times what? C all over c. So c here will cancel c. We'll be left with what? 8c. So it will now remain what? 8 what? C. Then plus what? 1 over what? 5. So this is our final answer after simplifying this. So we'll go to the next question. That's example 10. We'll see apply the knowledge of BODMAS to solve this. Question says simplify 2a minus 3 divided by 4a plus 5 times 6 minus 3a, right? So from our BODMAS, we know that we'll start with what is in the bracket first, that's this one. Then after that, we'll move towards division, then multiplication. So let's go. So 2a minus 3a, the both of them are not similar because here now a is attached to 2, but y 3 there is no other letter attached to it, so you cannot what? Simplify it further. So we'll leave it like this. Now the next thing we'll focus on is this division sign. So we can rewrite this question as what? 2a minus 3 divided by what? 4a, right? That's we're taking this part out first. So we'll be left with this other part. Now after division, we have multiplication here. So we can simply what? Put them in a bracket, right? So if we are taking this side out, we'll bring out this plus sign here. Then we'll put what? Bracket 5 times what? 6, right? Let's put in a bracket. Then we'll have what? Minus 3a. Remember, this is still division, so let's put this one too in a bracket. So we've put our division and our multiplication in bracket, so we can attack them now. So 2a minus 3a is the same thing as what? 2a minus 3a minus 3, sorry, over 4a is the same thing as what? 2a over 4a minus 3 over what? 4 what? A. So if you check this out, a will cancel a here to get 1, then 2 enter here to get 1, 2 enter into here to get what? 2. So we'll be left with 1 over 2. We'll be left with what? 1 over 2 minus 3 over 4 what? A. 3 over 4 what? A. So let's write it down. So if we break this down, we'll have what? 1 over 2 minus what? 3 over what? 4 what? A. So we have here 5 times 6 will give us what? 30. So we'll bring it out plus what? 30. Then we'll bring out this last value here minus what? 3 what? A. So if we check this, there's a here and there's a here. So we can collect like terms. We can bring this 30 over here, right? So if we collect like terms, we'll have that what? 30 plus 1 over 2. We have minus 3a here and we have minus 3a minus 3 over 4a. So let's write it minus what? 3 over 4a minus what? 3 what? A. So 30 plus 1 over 2, that's 30 and a half. So it will be 30 and a half minus what? 3 over 4a minus what? 3a. So this is the what? Final what? Answer. So if you enjoyed this video, please kindly drop a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. Share with your friends that is struggling with mathematics, engineering maths. Share with them. And if you have any question you want us to solve using the what? Bracket, factorization, and precedence method, or using the BODMAS, you can drop your question in the comment section and we'll be glad to what solve them together. Thank you and see you in our next video.